Hi loves, hi guys, hi boos, hi bays, hi OGs, hi newbies. Thank you so much for being present on my YouTube channel. My name is Nana Abena and this is AbenaCooks. Well, Abena just doesn't cook, Abena has a lot of fun. Today I am going to give you a little something. So I heard there's this challenge going on that is called Bussit. Bussit. Ooh, Bussit. So I saw it and I'm like, boo, I gotta do this. Like, I'm gonna try it. So guess what? I did a Bussit challenge. And yes, I fixed my nails. And I tried something new this time. I've decided to there's my ladies, please, I beg, tell me how you do it, because I feel like I'm gonna fly. I told just Sita that I'm going to do, I feel like apetupre. For those who don't understand, it's a type of bird. I don't know the English name. Yes, but then those who know, you know, you can help me in the comment section. But well, I look pink, and that's that's it, period. You guys don't know the stress I went through before fixing these nails. Honestly, I'm gonna share a little video with you about my mom's reaction to me getting my nails fixed. Besha mensa. Besha nails. Besha nails. Ade. That me besha nails in our corner. Abena, who's you me? And also today we're cooking, but aside the cooking too, we are doing Bussit, and aside that too, I'm showing you guys my new hair. Like, I don't know if you don't care, but me, I'm showing it to you, like it or not, cause you are gonna see a lot of me. And bam, badum, bang, bang, and boom. Woo, guys! Girl, like, I'm a spec. I'm a ting. Like, I don't care. I'm just a thing. Anyway, guys, so today we're making less spicy noodles. From my previous video, my first noodle video, it got to my attention that a few of us do not like so spicy noodles. Not in my house though, but I tried to make less spicy noodles on, it's not even spicy at all, Indomie. Yes, so this is for those of you. I promised I was going to give the less spicy recipe too, so don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, guys. Subscribe to beauty, to fun, to family, and to everything AbenaCooks. In the meantime, y'all watch till the end. That's the only way you're gonna see me bust it. So yeah, you're gonna bust it with me. And you can also check out my TikTok and follow and like what you see. Anyway, I'm talking too much. Let's get straight to today's video. So, not deviating so much from our previous video, I'll leave the link to the first video, my first noodle tutorial, in the description box so you can refer to it once you're done. So here I have all my ingredients listed in there. I didn't want to do a lot of talking because everything is already described here. So the tinier green particles is for the fresh pepper, the green pepper, not the green bell pepper. We have green bell pepper and we have pepper itself, the green one. Yes, so you cut it using a rubber around your hand or gloves if you do, because that thing is so hot you do not want to play with it. So mostly to make it spicy, I would have added powdered pepper, but this time around I just don't add anything, just what we have here, and that is what makes it less spicy. Here's nice. I wouldn't be able to eat this because I don't know, I just wouldn't be able to eat it, but yes, this is how most people prefer it. So add your sausage, make it spicy, make it rich, and enjoy your meal.
Bussit, 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 bussit.